Okay, we have a MORI SEIKI Vertical Machining Center, model Duravetical 5100, serial number DV005GG0883. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a MORI MSX504 control, which is a FANUC back end. You have a 23.6 by 53.1 inch table, a 40 taper, cat 40 actually, spindle that goes up to 10,000 RPM. That's 3,000. Going up, 5,000. 7,500 RPM. You have 41.3 inches of X travel, 20.9 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. And you also have a 30 ATC, or 30 automatic tool change, side mounted. There you go. That was a tool change. And another. There you go. Put it back. That's your Z. Your Y, and your X. Again, the table size is 23.6 by 53.1. Machine also has with it a chip conveyor and coolant system. Hey, thank you for watching our video.